What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about 5 tips on how you can whiten your teeth just like mine. So I've been using this method for about the last 3 months and it actually works. So I went from having alright teeth to having some really good white teeth. And I get questions all the time saying, oh, how do you get your teeth so white? Oh, why is your teeth so straight? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the 5 steps that I actually use myself personally to actually whiten your teeth. And with this formula, it's only going to take you about up to 2 weeks, and you should definitely see results within the first week. So actually how to get these pearly whites. And the benefit of having these pearly white, if you have white teeth, it's also going to build your confidence. It's going to make you look more attractive. And I mean, come on guys, who doesn't want a white smile? Step number 1 to getting white teeth, you want to make sure that you brush your teeth at least 3 times a day. Not 1, not 2, but 3 times a day. You want to be consistent with it. Okay, so of course you want to brush your teeth in the morning as soon as you wake up, brush your teeth after lunch, brush your teeth right before bed, and you'll have those clean results. Alright, step number 2 to getting a clean, bright smile is you want to use an electronic toothbrush. I'm not talking about that $20 Walmart toothbrush. I'm talking about a really premium, high-tech toothbrush. I'm talking about one that costs at least bare minimum around $80 to $90, up to $200 at least, so you can get that bright, clean smile. Now I know what you're probably thinking, $100 for a toothbrush? This guy must be crazy. But let me tell you, you definitely want to get this toothbrush. You want to invest in a bright, clean smile, and it's definitely going to work for you. So an example of the electronic toothbrush that I mentioned earlier is going to be something like this guy right here. So it's a Sonic Care, it's Philips. This one is a 5100 model. You want to make sure that it has those 3 modes. You want to make sure that it has that clean mode, the white mode, and the gum care. So to have a white smile, you definitely want to look for the white. If it says whitening or white, you're golden, my friend. Now if it does not say white, then you want to get a toothbrush that does say the whitening, because that's really going to impact your teeth. That's going to give you that white and clean, bright smile. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the Sonic Care, the Philips toothbrush. I got this guy from Walmart. I got it for about $100. Now you're probably thinking $100 kind of crazy for a toothbrush, right? Trust me, I thought that myself. But you definitely want to invest in a really good toothbrush, a premium toothbrush, so that way you can actually have a nice clean smile. So again, this is it right here. This is the Philips Sonic Care toothbrush. It has 3 brush modes, has clean, white, and it has gum care. It has a pressure sensor, so it protects teeth and gums from excess brushing pressure. It's a smart spinner, and even has a 2-minute timer. And it actually comes with a travel kit. It comes with the charger. You just stand it up. Now this guy has a battery life of about 2 weeks. So that's going to be really good for if you're on the go, you're traveling, you forget your charger, it's alright, because it's going to be good for up to 2 weeks on battery life. Of course, with this toothbrush, it's going to come with a couple of spinning heads. So in that way, when the old head gets old and tired, you just toss that guy out and then get your brand new one and you're ready to go. After you use this toothbrush, you're going to see results within the first week. Tip number 3 for having a clean and white smile is going to be this guy right here. It's the Colgate toothpaste. So with the Colgate toothpaste, notice I got the optic white. You want to make sure you get the optic white, this specific one, because this is a really good one. This one right here is the advanced whitening. So you want to use a little bit, don't use a lot of it, but you want to use it for your toothbrush. Of course you want to use circular motions. Don't go straight, because you're going to ruin your gums, you're going to damage your gums, you're going to have gum bleeding, and you don't want that stuff. So make sure that you use circular motions when you're brushing your teeth, when you're scrubbing your teeth. Use the advanced whitening by Colgate. And that's step number 3 to having really white teeth, and it should work for you there. Now with this toothpaste, you can find it at your local place like Walmart, Dollar General. It's around $3. Trust me, it's worth it. This is the toothpaste that you need to get that white and bright smile. This is the formula, this is the secret. It actually has a list of other good products that you can use to help get that clean smile. Step number 4 to having a clean smile is going to be using mouthwash. Now I'm not just talking about any ordinary mouthwash. I'm talking about this guy right here. So this is the Crest, the 3D white. This one right here is the anti-cavity fluoride mouthwash. So of course you want to use this guy. I got it from Walmart, picked it up. Been using it for about 2 months now. It works pretty good. Now you're going to use this guy at least 2 times a day. One in the morning after you brush your teeth, and then you want to use this the second time at night right before you go to bed. Use that and you should be good to go there. Again, this is the Crest, the 3D white. It's diamond strong. Rinse your mouth for about a minute and you should be good to go. Rinse this in your mouth for at least 60 seconds, at least 1 minute, get a good wash. All right, and last but not least, of course, step number 5 to having a clean and white smile is that you want to make sure that you are not drinking soda. You want to make sure that you're not drinking any pop. You want to make sure you're not drinking any coffee. Okay, so that stuff is really bad for your teeth. I'm pretty sure you guys know. So no coffee, no soda, none of that stuff, because it's going to stain your teeth. And that's not how you get a white, clean smile. It's going to turn your teeth from white to yellow. That's not what we want. So stay away. Alright guys, so that's the 5 steps on how you can actually whiten your teeth. So the 5 steps: 1, you brush your teeth at least 3 times a day. 2, use an electronic toothbrush, the Sonic Care $100 premium toothbrush, the Colgate, the Optic White toothpaste, the Crest 3D White, the mouthwash. Use this twice a day for at least 60 seconds. You want to make sure that you don't drink or eat 30 minutes after using this guy. Last but not least, make sure that you do not drink any soda. Try not to drink any pop, any coffee, because that's going to stain your teeth. That's going to be bad for you. And those are the 5 steps that I use myself personally to have this white, clean, bright smile. So a good, clean smile always comes in handy, whether you're, talking to someone that you like, trying to get a job, on an interview. You want to have a nice, clean smile. If you want to impress people, you like taking pictures, videos, making YouTube videos, make sure that you have a nice, clean smile, because come on guys, no one's gonna want someone that has like yellow, nasty teeth. So these are the 5 steps that I use to get a nice, clean smile. Don't forget, I'm gonna be uploading a video every Friday for you guys. I'm gonna be doing some more videos like tech reviews, how to get curls. A lot of people are asking me how do I get these curls, so that's my next video. I'm gonna be giving you guys the tips on how you can actually get some curls if you want to. One of my other videos that I'm working on is a video on what makes a great college computer. So I got that cooking up for you guys. Don't forget the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh! And I got some more videos coming in for you guys. Alright guys, until next time. So I'm about to go walk inside McDonald's. I'm about to open up this Burger King app so I go get my Whopper. As long as you got a penny, I get a free water, I get a Whopper. That's a meal right there. So hey, if you're on a budget, you definitely need to go ahead and get this app before it runs out.